Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, 2014. It's now 2:51 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were all down today. It really appeared that they had to struggle to get there. The S&P was down into the close. Price remains in the short term as well as the long-term uptrend channels. Resistance remains at 1922 as seen by the pink oval, and support is at 1807 as seen by the green oval. The NASDAQ closed down in a doji today. It remains in the short-term uptrend channel. The higher highs and higher lows are highlighted. The immediate resistance point remains at 37.39. The US dollar closed down in a doji. Support is at 21.24 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, June 3rd. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are two strong currencies and two weak currencies. The qualified pairs are the pound Swiss franc, the pound New Zealand dollar, US dollar Swiss franc, and the New Zealand US dollar. Here's our trade summary chart for June. For open trades, there are presently no open trades. As for new orders, no new orders were placed today. Let's look at the price charts for our four qualified pairs. The first is the pound dollar Swiss franc. This has been in a short-term uptrend channel. Would be looking for a bullish trade. The second pair is the pound New Zealand dollar. This has been in a short-term uptrend channel, and we would be looking at a bullish trade. The third pair is the US dollar Swiss franc. This has been going pretty much sideways for the last couple of months. Only recently have we seen any bullish movement. We would be looking at a bullish trade. The last pair is the New Zealand US dollar. This has been in a short-term downtrend channel. We would be looking at a bearish trade. We'll also look at a couple of the popular Forex pairs to trade. Here's the Euro US dollar. Having broken through the bottom of this long-term uptrend channel, we saw some downward price movement. Over the last few days, we've been consolidating. And here's the US dollar yen. It's been in a long-term downtrend channel. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request the free trading guide. My podcasts are now on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1. The time of day to do the daily review. 2. Review of the two indexes. 3. Background on the ADX indicator. 4. Determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5. Selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had one strong currency and one weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7, and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had one potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.